with Chief Meteorologist Jesse Walker.
Welcome back, everybody. Here's what we've got: a heat advisory for all of our Illinois counties. We kind of thought that would be issued. Indianapolis takes care of the Indiana zones. Don't know if they'll issue one. They very well may for the weekend. By the way, this is in effect now. It's already in effect. Goes all the way through the weekend, all the way through Monday evening. Normally, these are issued when the heat index value hits 105 or higher for a few hours in the afternoon, and it doesn't go down real low at night. So it's going to be a hot weekend coming up. Probably see that extended into the Indiana counties as we head for the weekend. Also wanted to give you a heads up. Thanks to Sam Severs, one of our weather spotters down in Vincennes, for tipping me off to this. Western sky tonight and tomorrow night, and both nights it ought to be pretty clear. But if you're looking to the west, and this is about that maybe an hour to about 2.5 hours after the sun goes down, looking off to the west, you can see Venus, which will be very bright in the western sky, and then the crescent moon. Here's tonight, and then there will be tomorrow night. So very close to Venus, you'll see the crescent moon. The weather should cooperate completely for this. So if you get a chance, check it out. Again, probably from about an hour to maybe 2.5 hours after the sun goes down. Check it out in the western sky. It could be a pretty nice sight to see. Mostly dry weekend we're tracking, but a hot weekend. Heat index values 100 or higher by the weekend. That's why we have the heat advisory for portions of the area. We hit 90 today. 68 has been the low for the day, so the heat already building in today. No rain other than an isolated storm chance. The rain chances look pretty slim for the weekend. Sunrise, sunset, we're going to stay there for a little while. This is the maximum amount of daylight we get. 14 hours, 56 minutes here in this area, and the river stage continues to go down in Terre Haute at 12.3 feet. At the airport in Terre Haute, 89, but look at this. The heat index is 95. We have a lot of moisture in the atmosphere with these south winds, and that's what we're looking at over the weekend. Not only hot, but humid. These are current temperatures near 90, some low 90s down to the southwest, but you throw the moisture into the air, this is what it feels like. 100 Mattoon, 101 in Flora, 93 Robinson, 97 Paris, 90 in Greencastle. So you can see the heat is building across the area. So let's track this, what it looks like as far as the feels like index or the heat index as we head for the weekend. Tomorrow afternoon, once again, you see 100 in Terre Haute, 101 in the Paris area, in Champaign, 100 in Flora. That's around 4 p.m. Then as we get into the day on Sunday, once again back there around 100, maybe as high as 102 to 105. So the heat index is going to be triple digits as we head into Saturday and Sunday afternoon. Take it easy out there. High pressure building in here. That's what you see here. This is the dry air in place across the nation's midsection, and this is going to keep us mostly dry. Again, rain chances for the weekend look to be pretty slim. The heat's going to be the story. Satellite and radar, pretty much nothing showing up across our entire viewing area, and it's going to be that way over the weekend. If you watch when we hit the afternoon, you see just a couple little returns, and then again on Sunday, a couple little returns. Can't rule out with this kind of heat and humidity that you might have, as you see here, just a couple little isolated showers or storms, but the story over the weekend is going to be the heat and the humidity. The wind coming in from the south right now, pretty much going to stay out of the south as we head through the weekend, and not a lot of relief from the heat with the wind, only in the 5 to 10 mile per hour range. Going to stay hot on Monday. This is Monday. Front comes in Tuesday, Wednesday. That's our rain chances. The front will be near the area, so we may even linger into a storm chance late next week as well, but at least it looks like it'll break the heat a little bit by later next week. Forecast looks like this for tonight. Clear and warm. Remember the western sky tonight, 69 the low. During the day tomorrow, here comes the heat, 94, heat index a little bit over 100. It will be a humid day, and then after that it's going to stay hot as we head into Sunday, also into Monday, with some thunderstorm chances on Tuesday and Wednesday with temperatures in the 80s. Another storm chance also by late next week. That's the forecast. Now time to head over to Omar for some sports.
Hey, thanks.